Hi there, Mads from Panasonic here to share tips and tricks for your Panasonic PTZs. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe to become a PTZ master yourself. And feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. Handling equipment for rentals is a delicate case, as each company has its own procedures and demands. However, at Panasonic we try to give you a helping hand by offering the best hardware, software and image quality so you can spend your time where it matters the most. In the past I have rented out a lot of Panasonic PTZs, and when they got back there was a very short lead time before they had to go out on another job again. Let me show you some tricks that would make it fast and easy to get your gear on the road again. A cloth, a small flathead screwdriver and our free to download software EasyIP Setup Tool Plus is all you need. This UE160 just came back from a job in a studio, outputting 4K on 12G SDI. Next, it's going out on a 1080p production on SMT2110 and therefore requires the ST2110 license, which I have purchased separately. This can be activated with the EasyIP Setup Tool Plus, but the problem is that the previous user has set a different username and password on the camera than the one I provided when I lent out the unit. Furthermore, they also fiddled a lot with the color matrix to match the UE60 with their existing studio cameras. For the next customer, I want to hand over a perfectly reset camera so they can do their own settings. I place the dip switches 1 and 4 to the on position and power on the camera. When the LED on the front of the camera flashes green, everything is back to factory settings and the user registration is deleted. I power off the camera, put the dip switches back to the off position and power on the camera again. Now I open EasyIP Setup Tool Plus. Here I can set the user registration to my standard one, set the IP, check for new firmware and add the ST2110 license. I go to the camera's web interface, Setup, Media over IP, ST2110, click on and press Set. Now I go to the basic config, SFP Plus mode and make sure to choose ST2110. Now the camera is ready to be rented out to the new customer. If you need to add an NDI HX license on the UE40 or UE50, you can also do that in the EasyIP Setup Tool Plus. I would love to hear how you prepare your equipment, so why not share it in the comments down below. I'm Mads, see you soon.